Guys, I'm so sorry with the background noise. There's some construction renovation happening. So, yet again, coming to you with teaching early digital geometry skills for the young ones. You can see the name of the toy is also the same, digital geometric clock. Why digital geometric clock? Because A, it's giving a lot of orientation for the kids to remember time. The other, it's providing a lot of shape sequencing. And then it's very good for cognitive development. There are some cautions written, so you can read that. The spelling of caution is wrong although, but you can read that thing. If you want to buy this toy, you may connect with Nigat from FunQuest, or you can buy it from anywhere that you know. So this is an amazing toy that we are reviewing today. So it talks about, it's giving a lot of number sequencing as well. It teaches time in a fun way as well. Also alphabet and also the shape recognition is also one of the most important features of this toy. Such toys allow multiple learning activities. So I think while selecting the toy, we need to be very cognizant that not one toy teaches one thing, but it can teach multiple things to young ones. All right, so the first activity you can do is pull off all the shapes, mix them up, and you can ask them, okay, can you pick me up 2 red stars? So child can pick 2 red stars. Or you may want to ask, can you pick up 1 diamond shape? So the kid might consider and pick up this as a diamond shape, or might also take it as a square, depending on the kind of thing. You may also want to say, can you pick up and show me a circle? You can do similar activity by teaching them colors. Okay, can you sort 2 red colors together? Can you sort 2 greens color together? Can you sort 2 blue colors together, 2 yellow colors together, and 2 pink colors together, and 2 maroon or brown colors together? So like so. All right, and you can also then sort of jumble these and ask the kid to place it in the respective one. So 1 coordinating with 1, 2 coordinating with 2, and like so. The other activity you can do is that you can teach them about the arrows, that the small arrow, what is the role of big arrow. Then you can teach them time, that okay, it's 6 o'clock, and you can teach vocabulary, o'clock, quarter, past, 5 past, 5 to, so you can teach different vocabulary, you can teach time. It's a great investment to make, such toys. I recommend these toys if you want to teach early numeracy skills and the time concept. You can also create such things at home by taking a felt sheet, cutting similar shapes, and then, doing the similar exercises with your kids. So I hope you like this short review of the product. Stay safe, take care of yourself, and do share the video. Shall you want to participate in our giveaways? And let me know if you're doing such types of activities. Thank you.